Welcome back, everyone. I'll go and show you exactly how to make a group chat on really any iPhone out there. Now, this is a very basic process. It really doesn't take too much time. All you really have to do is, first of all, make sure you have the contacts on your specific iPhone of who you want to make a group chat with. So you can see that I have a couple people. You can also not even have them in contacts and just have their phone number. You can also do it this way as well. So what we want to do is we want to go into our messaging app that looks like that, and we want to go ahead and make a new message. So what we can do is we can click on the top right there, and we can start either typing in the numbers of the people that we have, or we can start typing in the names of the people that we have. So what you want to do here is you want to go and start typing in the names of the people. So if I wanted to go ahead and bring in like myself here, if I wanted to go and bring in some other person, let's just say this person, right? And if I go one like this, you just want to keep typing in their names as you normally would, and you can keep bringing them into this group chat. And what you can do here is you can go and click here, and you can start typing out a message to them. Now, because this second person isn't in my contacts and it's not even a valid phone number or email, well, it may not work out properly. But in this case, what you can do is you can go and start typing whatever you'd want to do, and then you can go and click send, and that will technically be a group chat. A chat with more than two people in it is a group chat. So this will now come up as you normally would see it right here. So you will be able to go ahead and access those messages right here within your messaging panel, and that is it. Again, to kind of reiterate, you can click right at the top right corner, start bringing in all the contacts that you normally would, and then you can go ahead and just start typing in as you normally would down here, and then you can go and send out that contact, and then you can go and send out that group chat, and that will technically become a group chat. So now people can go ahead and start bringing you in and everything like that, and that is pretty much the process. If you have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button on me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.